polychaete works.
क्लाइमेट चेंज में ऊर्जा ट्रांजिशन बहुत जरूरी है और उसके लिए हम पूरी तरह से कदम उठाने के लिए प्रयासरत हैं।
On various inputs for manufacture of shrimp and fish feed.
उसमें कस्टम्स में रियायत देने की हमने पूरी तरह से कोशिश की है।
I propose to reduce BCD on real down-filling
इनके
material
ऊपर
from duck
जो
or goose.
कस्टम ड्यूटी का एग्जेम्पशन है उसे भी हम जारी रखेंगे।
Exempted goods for manufacture of leather and textile garments, footwear and other leather articles for export. To rectify inversion in duty, I propose to reduce BCD subject to conditions on methylene diphenyl diisocyanate MDI for manufacture of spandex yarn from 7.5 to 5%. Furthermore, the export duty structure on raw hides, skin
चमड़े
and
से
leather
बनी वस्तुओं
is
के निर्यात
proposed
पर
to
भी
be
छूट दिया जा रहा है।
simplified and rationalized. Precious metals. To enhance domestic
डक और
value
घूस से
addition
बने
in
हुए
gold
जो
and
मटेरियल
precious metal jewelry in the country, I propose
पर
to
भी
reduce customs
ड्यूटी कम करने का
duties on
प्रस्ताव करते
gold
हैं,
and silver
जितने भी
to 6% and that
चमड़े
of
से
platinum to
बने हुए प्रोडक्ट
6.4%.
हैं
Other metals,
जो निर्यात हैं
steel and copper are important
उसे
raw
कम करेंगे
materials.
शुल्क।
To reduce their cost of production, I propose to remove the BCD on ferronickel and blister copper. I am also continuing with nil BCD on ferrous scrap and nickel cathode.
तो सोने और चांदी पर 6% कस्टम ड्यूटी रहेगी, प्लैटिनम पर 6.5 कस्टम ड्यूटी रहेगी।
To increase value addition in the domestic electronics industry, I propose to remove the BCD subject to conditions on oxygen-free copper
सोने और अन्य
for
हीरे
manufacture of
जवाहरात पर
resistors.
कस्टम
I
ड्यूटी
also
जो
propose to
वो
exempt
6%
certain
रहेगी।
parts for manufacture of connectors, chemicals and petrochemicals. To support existing and new capacities in the pipeline, I propose to increase the BCD
स्टील और बाकी जितने
on ammonium
खनिज पदार्थ
nitrate
हैं
from 7.5% to 10%. Plastics, PVC flex banners
रस,
are
लोहे के स्क्रैप, निकल के स्क्रैप,
non-biodegradable and hazardous for environment and health. To curb their
कॉपर स्क्रैप
imports,
में भी
I
कमी की जा रही
propose to
है
raise the
शुल्क में।
BCD on them from 10
घरेलू
to
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
25%.
इंडस्ट्री में
Telecommunication
BCD
equipment. To incentivize
स्थिति के अनुसार
domestic
कम किया जाएगा।
manufacturing, I propose to increase the BCD from 10 to 15% on PCBA of
निर्माण और बाकी गतिविधियों पर ये लागू
specified
होगा।
telecom equipment. Trade facilitation. To promote domestic
हम नई
aviation
क्षमताओं को लगातार
and
आगे
boat
बढ़ाने
and
का
ship
प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
MRO, I propose to extend the period for
इसको
export of
7.5
goods
से 10% तक कम
imported for
किया जा रहा है।
repairs from 6 months to 1 year. I'll read that
एनवायरमेंट
again.
और हेल्थ
To promote domestic aviation and boat and ship maintenance, repair and operations, I propose to extend the period for export of goods
Telecom.
imported for repairs from 6 months to 1 year. In the same way,
BCD
I propose to
15%
extend the time limit
प्रस्ताव करती है
for
सरकार।
re-import of goods for repairs under warranty from 3 to 5 years. I now move to direct taxes. We will continue our efforts to simplify taxes, improve taxpayer services, provide tax certainty, and reduce litigation while enhancing revenues for funding the development and welfare schemes of the government.
एविएशन और
It has
जहाजरानी
been
को
our
बढ़ावा
endeavor
देने के लिए
to simplify taxation. We have taken a number of measures in the last few years, including introduction of
निर्यात की
simplified
अवधि को
tax
बढ़ाया
regimes without exemptions and deductions for corporate tax and for personal income tax. This has been appreciated by taxpayers. 58% of corporate tax came from the
इसकी मरम्मत और
simplified tax
वारंटी के लिए 3 से
regime
5 साल
in
तक
the
की समय
financial
सीमा
year 22-23.
बढ़ाते
Similarly,
हैं।
as per data available till now, for the last fiscal, more than
कर
2/3
की
have
सुविधा का
availed
सरलीकरण
the
करें।
new personal income tax regime.
राजस्व को बढ़ावा दें।
Comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act. I am now announcing a comprehensive review of the Income Tax
हमारे
Act
प्रयास हैं कि हम
1961.
टैक्सेस का
The
सरलीकरण
purpose is
करें।
to make the act concise, lucid, easy to
हमने ऐसे
read
कदम उठाए हैं
and
जिससे हम
understand.
करों का
This will
सरलीकरण
reduce
करें।
disputes and
जैसे
litigation,
corporate tax,
thereby
income
providing
tax
tax certainty
को
to the
लेकर
taxpayers. I will also
अच्छी
bring
तरह
down
उठाए
the
गए कदम
demand
हैं।
embroiled in litigation. It is proposed to be completed
58%
in 6 months.
कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स सरलीकरण
The
के
beginning is
जरिए
being
ही
made
आया है।
in the finance bill by simplifying the tax regime for charities, tedious rate structures, provisions of
पिछले वित्त वर्ष का
reassessment and such
2/3
provisions,
personal
and
income
capital
tax।
gains taxation. Simplification for charities and tedious. Two tax exemption regimes. The two tax
Income Tax
exemption
Act
regimes
1961
for charities are proposed to be
इसे हम और
merged
पारदर्शी
into
और सरल
one.
बनाएं
The 5% tedious rate on many payments
और ऐसा बनाएं कि
is
इसमें
being
कोई कानूनी
merged into
जटिलताएं ना
the
आए।
2% tedious rate and
2/3
the
करदाताओं ने जो
20%
नई
tedious
टैक्स
rate
regime
on
है, उसका लाभ
repurchase
उठाया
of
है।
units by mutual funds or
हम
UTI
करदाताओं को
is being withdrawn.
उनके
TDS
योगदान के लिए
rate on
सराहना चाहते
e-commerce
हैं।
operators is proposed to be reduced from 1 to 0.1%. Moreover, credit of TCS
Capital
is
gain
proposed
taxes
to be
में भी हमने सुधार
given in
किया
the
है।
TDS to be deducted on salary. Further, I propose to decriminalize delay for payment of TDS
टू टैक्स की छूट
up to the
चैरिटी में दी
due
जाएगी।
date of filing statement for the same. I also plan to provide
5%
a standard
TDS किया
operating
जाता है।
procedure for TDS defaults and simplify and rationalize the compounding guidelines for such defaults. Simplification of reassessment. I propose to thoroughly simplify the provisions for reopening and reassessment. An assessment hereinafter can be reopened beyond 3 years from the end of the assessment year only if the escaped
TDS डिडक्शन का
income
सरलीकरण
is 50
उसे
lakh
आसान
rupees
बनाया
or
जाए,
more,
उसके लिए
up to a maximum
हम प्रयासरत
period
हैं।
of 5 years from the end of the assessment year. Even
हम
in such cases,
1961
a time
की इनकम
limit
टैक्स
of
एक्ट को
6
भी
years before
उसकी
the
समीक्षा
year
कर
of
रहे
the
हैं।
search as against the existing time limit of 10 years is being proposed. This will reduce tax uncertainty and disputes. Simplification and rationalization of capital gains. Capital gains taxation is also proposed to be
TDS के
hugely
लिए
simplified.
प्रस्ताव करती हूँ कि दोबारा इसका सरलीकरण किया जाए और आकलन किया जाए।
Financial assets shall henceforth attract a tax rate of 20%.
इनकी आय 50 लाख या
while
उससे
that
ऊपर हो।
on all other financial assets and all non-financial assets
इसका
shall continue to
assessment
attract
year से 5
the
साल तक अवधि
applicable
रहेगी।
tax rate. Long-term gains on all financial and non-financial assets, on the other hand, will attract a
इसके साथ
tax
अभी
rate
इस
of
वक्त 10 साल की
12.5%.
सीमा है।
For the benefit of the lower and the middle income classes,
टैक्स से
I
जुड़ी
propose
अनियमितताएं और
the-
विवाद जो
I
हैं उन्हें
propose to
खत्म किया जाए।
increase the limit of exemption of capital gains on certain financial assets to 1.25 lakh rupees per year. Listed financial assets held for more than a year will be classified as long-term, while unlisted financial assets and all non-financial assets will have to be held for at least 2 years to be classified as long-term. Unlisted bonds and debentures, debt mutual funds, and market-linked debentures, irrespective of holding period, however, will attract tax on capital gains
मध्यम और निचले
at
वर्ग में जो लोग रहते हैं।
rates. Taxpayer services. All the major taxpayer services under GST and most services under customs and income tax have been digitalized. All remaining services of customs and income tax,
जो लिस्टेड
including
परिसंपत्तियां हैं इनका
rectification and
कैटेगराइजेशन, इनका वर्गीकरण किया जाए।
shall be digitalized and made paperless over the next 2 years. Litigation and appeals. While our concerted efforts to reduce pendency of appeals at various appellate fora are beginning to show good results, it will continue to engage our highest attention. To dispose of the backlog of first appeals, I plan to deploy more officers to hear and decide such appeals, especially those with large tax effect. For resolution of certain income tax disputes pending in appeal, I am also proposing Vivad Se Vishwas scheme
कस्टम और आयकर को
2024.
डिजिटलाइज किया जाएगा।
Further, I propose to increase monetary
आगे आने वाले
limits
2 वर्षों
for
में
filing appeals related to direct taxes, excise and service tax
इनमें जो
in the
कानूनी
tax
कार्रवाई होती है और जो अपील किया
high
जाता
courts
है,
and Supreme Court
इनका
to
निपटारा
16
जल्द से
lakh
जल्द
rupees,
किया जाए
2 crore rupees and
और
5
उस पर
crore
पूरा सरकार ध्यान
respectively,
देगी।
with a view to reduce litigation
जो
and
लंबित
provide
चीजें
certainty
हैं
in
उनका जल्द से जल्द
international
निपटारा
taxation.
किया जाए।
We will expand the scope of safe harbor rules and make them more attractive. We will also streamline the transfer
लोग ऐसी अपील पर ध्यान दें, इसका करों पर व्यापक प्रभाव होता है।
Employment and investment. I have a few proposals to promote investment and foster employment.
रोजगार और निवेश को
First of
बढ़ाने
all,
के लिए मेरे कुछ सुझाव हैं
To
जिनको मैं
bolster the
यहाँ पर रखना
Indian
चाहती हूँ।
startup ecosystem, boost the entrepreneurial spirit and to support innovation.
किसी भी तरह के नवीनीकरण
I
और
propose
उद्योग
to
को बढ़ावा
abolish
देने
the
के लिए
so-called angel tax for all classes of investors.
मैं एंजल टैक्स को प्रपोज कर रही हूँ हर
Second,
वर्ग के टैक्स
there is tremendous
दाताओं के
potential
लिए।
for cruise tourism in India. To give a fillip to this employment generating industry, I am proposing a simpler tax regime for foreign shipping companies